हाय गाइस, आई एम ईशव, अ डायसिस रेक्टाई कोच एट माई हेल्थ बडी। हमारे पास इतनी मदर्स आती है विद द कॉमन कंप्लेंट कि उनका बेली हैंग करता है पोस्ट डिलीवरी, प्लस उनके पास टाइम नहीं है बिकॉज दे हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ देयर चिल्ड्रन। सो दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट स्टार्टिंग पोस्ट डिलीवरी एंड ये एक्सरसाइजेस को हम फॉर 2 सेट्स करेंगे, 10 repetitions ईच, एंड आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो। फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज साइड लाइन ब्रीदिंग। सो इस पोजिशन में आप अपनी साइड में आएंगे, rest your head on your arm, pull your knee in line with your hip and थोड़ा सा यहाँ elevated रखेंगे and you know don't let your hip drop. So अगर आपसे ये नहीं elevate होता तो keep a towel under here to give support to your pelvic and make sure you become a ball. There should be no arch in your back. Become a ball and now we'll start. Inhale. Inhale आपकी ribs में जाएगी, आपकी back body में जाएगी and not in your shoulder. So don't inhale like this. So inhale into your ribs. Exhale, lift pelvic floor, lower abdomen will contract with the pelvic floor and eventually the entire abdomen should contract, and breathe out through your mouth so that you can give intensity to this exhale and think of breathing out through a balloon. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So really focus on contracting your core and don't let your ribs fall down. There should be no movement of your rib or your pelvic happening. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 4 more times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, forcefully exhale. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Last, exhale. Now relax. We'll have to switch on to the other side. So take a side and get up, take support, and now switch on to the other side. Same way, keep your head rested on your hand, keep your knees in line with your shoulder. अपने pelvic को थोड़ा elevated रखेंगे, या यहाँ पे आप एक towel भी रख सकते हैं. And become like a little ball. There should be no arch in your back or your ribs should not be flaring up. So become a little ball. Inhale into your hand. Exhale. Really contract your core as if you're blowing a balloon. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Think कि आपका रिब दूसरे रिब की तरफ आ रहा है as you exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale. 4 more times. Last one. Exhale and inhale, relax. Now you'll relax for 30 seconds. Now we will switch on to the next exercise which is heel slide with leg lift. अभी 30 seconds का जो whole time है इसमें आप exercise समझ लो, फिर 30 seconds के बाद इसको शुरू कर देना. So now lie down on your back and आपको rib cage and pelvic का connection maintain करना. So you can see I have a big arch in my back and you'll have to tilt your pelvic down so that it is in line with your rib cage. Push your rib cage down a little and maintain this connection. So you can put your arms up if you feel comfortable. And इस exercise में just make sure whenever you're sliding your heel, there should be no arch happening in your back. So as the leg moves, you have to maintain this stable, connected position of your rib over your pelvic. Okay, so now as your rest is over, so now you will inhale while you're sliding your leg out, exhale while you're lifting your leg back. So do not let your back arch at any point. If you feel that you're sliding your leg out and वो arch हो रही है back, so don't slide out that far. Slide till your comfort level. And the main point here is to not break this connection. Alright, so now we'll start now. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale. Exhale. 6. Inhale. 7. Inhale. 8. Inhale. 9. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Now you'll rest for 30 seconds. इस एक्सरसाइज में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है दैट आपका रिब केज और पेल्विक का कनेक्शन मेंटेन रहे. अगर आपको लगता है एट एनी पॉइंट यू आर नॉट फीलिंग it in your core and if you're feeling it in your back, you might have to put a towel under your back to give that support to your lower back. और आप head भी elevate कर सकते हो just in case you feel you're not keeping stable. We will repeat this exercise one more time for 10 repetitions each. अगर आपको लगता है you're comfortable doing more, please proceed to 10 repetitions each leg. Now rest for 30 seconds and we will switch on to the next exercise, which is the kneeling twist. For this, you will have to keep something in between your knees. It can be a ball, it can be a cushion, and something in between your hands to press. क्योंकि ये twist आपकी rib cage से आना चाहिए, not from your hip. So when we twist, make sure that your ribs are twisting side to side. Instead, do not let your pelvic move while you're twisting in this movement. So now, take the block or the cushion or a ball in your hand. So now you will inhale into your ribs laterally and do not inhale up in your shoulders. Inhale into your ribs, press the ball or the block, exhale, contract your core and twist to the side. Come back. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, आप देख रहे हैं कि इसका रेंज बहुत कम है. I am not using my hip to twist. The hip is facing forward. Only my rib cage is going sideways. Inhale. Exhale. Twist. Inhale. Exhale. Twist. You should feel a burn in your side muscles. 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will switch on to the next exercise, which is the quadruple slide. So आप ये props को side में रख सकते हैं. Come on your hands and knees. ये रेस्टिंग टाइम में आप जब समझ लीजिए एक्सरसाइज कैसे करनी है. सो योर शोल्डर एंड योर रिस्ट शुड बी इन वन लाइन, योर हिप एंड योर नी शुड बी इन वन लाइन, एंड मेक श्योर यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू मेंटेन अ रिब एंड pelvic connection in this position, which is curling your pelvic in line with your rib. So make sure that your rib is not curling down a lot and your pelvic is not arching. So आप pelvic को tilt करेंगे, rib को down करेंगे. Think as if you're lifting your lower abdomen up. And try to maintain this position throughout the movement. Now inhale, exhale, really contract your core, slide your leg out very gently, extend it all the way and come back. इसमें भी आपको ये gauge करना है at what point your back arch doesn't come in and you can maintain rib and pelvic connection throughout. If your back starts arching this way, make sure you're not extending your leg that far. You can decrease the range just to maintain the rib and pelvic connection. एक और बहुत कॉमन चीज़ मैं देखती हूँ लोगों को करते हुए, विच इज शिफ्टिंग बॉडी वेट. So you make sure that your body weight is, staying center instead of shifting your leg left, right like that. Try to really contract your core, slide out, come back. Inhale, exhale, slide out, come back. Inhale, exhale, slide out, come back. So when you exhale, make sure you're not curling your rib cage. अगर आप ऐसे करोगे सारा प्रेशर लोअर एब्डोमेन में जाएगा. So inhale, exhale, lift your lower abdomen, pelvic floor up. Inhale, relax all the muscles. Exhale, lift your lower abdomen, pelvic floor. Contract all the muscles together, slide. Inhale, exhale, slide. Inhale, exhale. See how my neck is in line with my entire body. So do not let your neck drop down. Keep it in line, keep your shoulders down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. 2 more reps. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale, exhale, and relax. So now rest for 30 seconds. We are going to switch on to the next exercise, which is this side plank on the knees. For this exercise, you have to make sure that you are on the side. Your elbow should not come off the floor. Your elbow should be firmly placed, your thumb facing up, shoulder in line with your knee, knees bent, and there should be no arch in your back. So you have to tilt your pelvic so that it is connected, ribcage and pelvic are connected, and start in a very good posture. So do not hang into your shoulder. Be upright, start in a good posture, and your neck should be in line with your spine. So now we will start by lifting off the floor. So on the inhale, you're on the floor. On the exhale, you go up and push your hip forward. So when you push your hip forward, make sure you're not pushing your ribs also forward or your back arches. So make sure you are in line, maintaining that rib and pelvic connection, and just stay. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Do this for 5-6 breaths at the top. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. If you are feeling comfortable in this movement, you can add a pulse. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now we'll switch on to the next side. Same posture, elbow in line with your shoulder. Do not hang in your shoulder, be upright. Arch, there should be no arch in your back. So tilt your pelvic, push your rib down, bend your knees in a comfortable stance. Now inhale into your ribs. Exhale, go up. Stay here and do 5-6 breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And now if you want to add a pulse, inhale, go down. Exhale, up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one, exhale. Well done. You have completed a small circuit, and now you can repeat this entire circuit to again repeat this video again to repeat the circuit, and you're all done. So if you have less time, you can go on to this video again, do it for multiple times, and I think you should have a decent core strength after doing this a lot of times. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Tune in for more videos, and I hope you have enjoyed this one.